I got it. I got deltarune. Ooh, that's weird. I have to keep it in the small thing because I can't see my recording or anything while it's in big. Yeah, you're gonna throw that out a window. I know, because I've watched people play it, like I've watched a car play it. Where's my hair? Oh, this is close enough to my hair, I guess. I mean, not right now, my hair's underneath. What's the difference between all of them? Should have got salty. Are we vampires? I'm just gonna do A because I get all A's in school. I like cyan the most. Where's hatred? Find kindness. I'm just gonna put hope, since my favorite song is Hope and Dreams. What if I put no? And I'm ready to get my face ate off. Wait. Yes. Where's the I'm blind? You guys might know what I'm gonna name it. I see how it is. Okay, now can we throw it all out the window yet? Yeah, I said a good answer, honestly. What if I murder everyone? Then what happens? Yes. I hate that. Does anyone see that? That the thing next to the deltarune, it changed to the beginning. Chris, if you don't wake up, we'll be late for school. Be quiet. You will fear me. I will wait outside for you, alright? Okay, how do I walk around? Oh, okay, arrow keys. I know everything really about the arrow, I'm pretty sure, obviously. Right, there's nowhere to go that way. That's weird. We got a troll goat mom. You flushed the toilet. We're gonna keep doing this. Okay, I think one more time and we should get Toriel's attention. Yeah, we're just trolling you. Can she teleport? Mom, I don't want to come. I'm a moody teenager. But Mom... Kitty cats, hi. I died. This is my world now. If you have a problem with that, you all can fight me. So, does everyone have a partner? Oh, Chris, we thought you weren't coming today. We're doing group projects this month, so we'll walk around and find a partner, okay? Tammy, get over here. Quisp! Versailles, Tam all have a partner. It's a black and white hard-boiled egg. Sadly, it seems like it already has a partner. Monster Kid? Yo, Chris, show up earlier next time. I end up having to partner with Snowy, haha. Now he keeps turning to me and saying, howdy, partner, like a cowboy. I'm just gonna skip all this and go straight over to you. Hey, Chris, what's up? Did you lose your pencil again? Here, you want the candy cane one or the one with lights on it, huh? You want to be partners? Sorry, Beardly already asked me, but I could ask Miss Alphys if we could make a group of 3. I'll ask her if you're sure. Yes, ask. Okay, I'll ask. Miss Alphys, is it okay if we have a group of 3? Hey, what? No, I did not approve of this. Abort! What? But Chris doesn't have a... Noelle, what were you saying? She was just saying you were fine being alone. Actually, I just wanted to know if... Noelle, can you please speak up? Hi, Susie. Am I late? Oh, no, you're fine. We're just, choosing partners for the next group project, and, Susie, you're with Chris. Great. They've given her such a monotone voice. Now that everyone's here, I'll write the excitement. Has anyone seen the chalk? This is the first time it's gone missing, and you all know I can't start class without. how about this? If no one speaks up, everyone gets in trouble. Anyone, please? Hey, there might be a box in the supply closet. Miss Alphys, why don't Susie and I? Good idea, Noelle. Susie, since you came in last, why don't you go get it for me? Whatever. And Chris, you can go with her, make sure she actually gets it and stays out of trouble. Thanks, Chris. See you later. You owe me a chocolate bar, lady. But I guess I'll go. Is that my white chocolate bar? Chris, didn't see you there. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm sorry. Cliffhanger.